Hello, for this video, we are going to start with some vocab. So the first word is union. It's the set of all elements in collections A and B. So notice everything that is yellow down here, that's A union B. Everything in the circles is A union B. You use that U in the middle to represent a union. And it really just means everything in both of them. The intersection, my definition for that is actually wrong. It should be right on your screen, but it is wrong on mine, so I'm going to change it quick. So it's everything that's in both A and B. So it's the elements that A and B share. So in our little circle here, my intersection is this middle part. It's where your Venn diagrams overlap. You use the upside down U to represent it, and that just means A intersects B. And your last one, a complement, A prime, it's the set of all elements not in A. So in our case, it would be just the things in B. This little orangey part here would be A prime. You can also have B prime, but I just used A prime for the definition. All right, let's look at your actual example and talk about which elements are in which set. So for the first one, we're looking for A. Notice you have that blue outline around your circle A. So everything inside that blue line that I just highlighted is a member of set A. So we're going to have 2, 5, and 7. The order you list them in doesn't really matter. I just went from smallest to largest. Ooh, and I can't erase. Great, love that for me. All right, the next one, B. Let's highlight it green. It's going to be everything inside this green circle here. So it's going to be 1, 2, 5, and 8. All right, A prime is everything that's not in A. So it's going to be the elements that are only in B. So in our case, it is these elements here. Those are in A prime. So you're going to have 1 and 8. B prime is going to be everything that isn't in B. So in this case, it would be, so for B prime, you are looking at everything that is not a part of B at all. So I know my highlighting is getting out of control, but it's this little purple section here. It's literally just the number 7. Again, for A union B, it's everything that's in A and in B. I'm totally out of colors to highlight. Let's try this pink one. It's going to be this section here, 2 and 5. Oh, sorry. I totally just told you the wrong thing. I lied. 2 and 5 are in that, but A union B is the whole thing. Ooh, that's not a highlighter. It's 2, 5. It's also 1, 7, and 8. Again, you can put those numbers in order, smallest to largest, or just leave it like that. All right, I know my picture is a mess, but the last one, A intersect B, that is in fact just your middle component. Let's see if this blue color works. 2 and 5. I'm sorry, I would have loved to erase some of my highlighting, but my program just doesn't let me do that. All right, thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to your teacher.